So what's up?
Just getting prepped. Got a little audio track going in the head.
What's going on?
I really don't follow what you mean.
Rifle match?
Rifle match, actually Waffle House first. Get the important stuff out of the way.
It is the big one.
All right. Okay, so plastic on plastic apparently is a crime.
Actually, it's considered a hate crime. Feds just classified it as
Oh, kind of like
majority,
the
so it's not.
I do hate crime. Really?
Okay, pretty much if I'm
kind of fond
punching.
of it. It keeps
I
me,
was gonna say it does pay my mortgage, but
keeps me in ammo and guns.
I'm cool with it. And I don't even make any money off it.
Makes for good TV.
My only issue is I've never been involved in a love crime. You know, pretty much if you're punching somebody, it's
Pretty much.
Yeah, pretty much.
Because there's that whole S&M thing out there.
See, no, that's not a crime.
Right.
Darcy and I think you have been involved in a love crime, but that's a whole.
Oh, which is why we were supposed to shoot on Squad 4.
Yeah, I hope you're not going to get DQ'd for that.
Probably not.
Tim, just confirm he is actually divorced, right?
That was the crime I was referring to.
Yeah. I found one of them crystal bally thingies that goes up on top of one of these now.
Does it have a magical sphere that appears to
It's like Stargate.
Okay, going hot. Are you ready? Stand by.
Zombies.
They're dealing in New York.
I know. Okay, as soon as it fell out of my mouth, I'm like.
I'm just glad I got the mag in the gun.
Okay, so we're trained to do what with the magazine? And what did you do? I watched this coming out. Tink, click. Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Wow. I went favorite over here. Oh.
It's just reaction. It's nothing personal. I do that.
Stage 2 of the Independence Day rifle match. This is a 24-round rifle-only stage. Stage begins in front of the barrels at the shooting box. You'll be started loaded in low-ready position. On the signal, engage the wing targets T1 or T2 from below the crossbar. And then moving into the ports, door 1, engage the targets there, through the curtain. The last door on the far right side activates a no-shoot swinger that will be moving in front of the targets that you're getting ready to engage. My plan is to start off on the right-hand side, then engage target T2 and move forward to the rest from there. We'll see how it goes.
You're collecting the papers? Yeah, I'm handing out to them when you come by us.
Are you ready? Stand by. Range is clear.
Fucking hammer punch him. Oh, shit.
Felt good. Except for dropping a mag.
No, the curtain gave you fits.
Oh, God.
God, it's like,
there was a little bit of me. I was like, I'm taking the hits. I'm just shooting through it. Take a quick look at it. This is the first this intermediate range stage. Port 1, 4 rounds at the 100-yard flash steels. Port 2, same steels, and then field course from there. 6 rounds through each port, or 6 rounds through each port, 3 targets. Easy breezy, lemon squeezy. This is where we start really using a rifle.
Stand by.